Hey guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to add gradient colors or mix colors on one color shapes like this one. Also, if you want to watch how I made this design using the Bezier tool or tracing tool, make sure you watch on the end screen of this video and you will see the video on how I did it. Okay, so basically you're just gonna select the shape that we just traced, go where it says gradients, uh, choose this drop down list and choose custom. You will see these four boxes with four different colors. Then you're gonna type in the colors that you want. So we're gonna do green, yellow, and then green again, and yes, you guessed it, yellow. And then I'm going to select the shape and apply, and then there it is. You can change the angle of the gradients with these buttons here. You can just go around the shape and just select the best angle that you want or that you think it's best for your design. But I'm gonna keep this one, so, or you can keep going around whatever you want. And yeah, this is how simple it is. Or you can just select the set colors for this shape. You can just apply, and there's the set colors as default, which is all of these colors here. And yeah, you can also just find the like the code for the color that you want, specific color, or you can just type in the name of the color that you want. So it's whatever you want to add on your design. So yeah, that's how simple it is. If you guys are interested on this software that I made called DesignFrame, I will leave the link below. You can buy it for a limited time for $10 only, the download. And or if you want to learn how I made my software like this one step by step, you can join on the advanced membership. Just click on the join button, go to my page and find the join, and just select the advanced membership so you can watch how I design and make this software, so you can also monetize and sell your own to your audience and other digital products too. So yeah, this is it for this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. I will see you on the next episode.